In December of last year, this piece of art sold for $90 million. Famous artwork routinely sells for tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars, but this particular artwork is an NFT and marked the most expensive sale of an NFT. Compare that to this Picasso that sold in 2018 for a measly $70 million. 2 years ago, NFTs were considering a passing, hype-fueled fad, but now it's clear this hype-fueled fad isn't passing. So today, I'm going to answer all your questions about NFT. Oh, you never asked any questions about NFTs? No worries, I'll ask them for you. But before I get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our future tech videos. We have a lot of interesting tech videos with more on the way that you won't want to miss. Hello, Technophiles. Welcome to Tenzies Tech. I'm Scott Leffler, and this is our list of the 10 things you need to know about NFTs. Number 10. What is an NFT? To understand what an NFT is, you'll need a basic understanding of how a blockchain works. There are a lot of great videos on YouTube that explain this, so I'm just going to give you a short, nuance-free explanation. A blockchain links blocks of code together in a perpetual chain. Information can be stored in these blocks of code. Once part of the blockchain, that information can't be tampered with or changed. With cryptocurrencies, the stored information is a ledger of who owns how much of the cryptocurrency. With an NFT, the information is any kind of digital file, often an image, but really it can be anything. If cryptocurrency is digital money, NFTs are like digital notary that certifies the ownership of a file. To be clear, an NFT doesn't stop the file from being copied. In this video, you'll see the images of very expensive NFTs that we could never afford. It's just like physical art. Even though you don't own Starry Night, you know exactly what it looks like. It looks like this. And just like physical art, each NFT is unique and can't be subdivided like crypto can be. This quality is called non-fungible. When something's added to the blockchain, it's tokenized. Combine these together and you have a non-fungible token, or an NFT. Number 9. Why do people buy NFTs? Do you remember the viral video, Charlie Bit My Finger? That video must bring up a lot of memories. Perhaps some nostalgia about the glory days of YouTube. Well, the publisher of that video has turned it into an NFT, and it's valued at $760,999. This is an example of the value people may see in owning an NFT. Similar to pieces of art at museums or art galleries, NFTs may carry significant value, and owning something like this video allows the person to own a part of history that wasn't possible before. Otherwise, someone may choose to buy an NFT to support their favorite artists, or even get some additional perks, which is something we'll address later in this video. Number 8. Why are NFTs so expensive? It all comes down to hype. Hype isn't bad. A lot of brands, as well as the physical art market, thrive on hype. But hype is unpredictable. NFTs are a new investment class, and a lot of people want to get in early. With headlines touting people making millions overnight trading NFTs, combined with the fact that big brands and celebrities are buying their own NFTs, this has really increased the hype in the market, in turn causes creators to look for higher prices. NFTs also carry a sense of exclusivity around them. Owning a particular NFT may give you some added benefits and bragging rights by being part of an NFT community, which brings us to the next entry on our list. Number 7. What are NFT communities? Many communities are based on owning an NFT of a specific collection. Perhaps the most popular of these is the Bored Ape Yacht Club, where celebrities such as Jimmy Fallon, Paris Hilton, and Eminem are members. Members of BAYC have meetups all around the world, and there was even a yacht party and concert that featured performers such as Chris Rock and Aziz Ansari. Other NFT communities have a social media presence on platforms such as Discord or Twitter, where members may engage with each other. Other perks of being a part of an NFT community can be a private screening of shows only available to that community, like the Stoner Cats show, which uses these NFT tickets. This definitely makes NFTs look really cool and exclusive, but could it all be a scam? Number 6. Are NFTs a scam? In simple words, no. However, scammers are very common across the internet and particularly target people looking to get into the NFT market. Impersonators, plagiarizers, and many other forms of scammers present themselves as authentic sellers of NFTs. By buying from credible sources, which I'll talk about later, you can avoid a lot of these scams. Crypto and NFT scams are everywhere. In fact, there's a good chance you'll even see some scammers in the comments below. Most of the scams are obvious and easily avoided, but always be extra careful and ensure that your crypto wallet is secure. Also, don't trust any profiles directly approaching you through messages or telling you to message them. All in all, make sure you do your research, stay vigilant, and treat your digital presence with as much care as possible. Number 5. Can you get rich with NFTs? There are 3 primary ways that you can make money with NFTs and all of their pros and cons. The first and most common way is trading. This is where you buy an NFT at a low price, expecting it to go up. And yes, a lot of people have become very rich doing this. But for every person that's gotten rich, there are countless others who lost their money on a bad bet. So buyers beware. The next most common method is minting your own NFT. However, unless you already have a reputation as an artist or some other way of marketing your NFT, it'll be difficult to find someone willing to pay you for it. Finally, one of the newest and most lucrative ways of making money with NFTs is by renting out NFTs you own. NFTs are more than art. They're also land in the metaverse and tools in video games. Some NFT owners have started renting out their NFTs to other users. This does require a large upfront investment, but has low risk and high returns. However, there is still risk doing this, so be sure to do your own research. Number 4. Who makes the NFTs? All sorts of artists are jumping on the bandwagon of creating NFTs. Linkin Park's Mike Shinoda has minted a few, and he even turned a song of his into an NFT. Big brands like Marvel have made some as well. Even celebrities like Snoop Dogg have minted NFTs consisting of memories of their lives. This doesn't mean creators of NFTs are limited by their popularity. Anyone can easily mint an NFT, and there are tutorials on YouTube showing you how to do it. Like I said earlier, the real challenge is finding someone to buy it. Speaking of which, if anyone's looking for an NFT of Starry Night as an open-faced bologna sandwich, I have a Scott Leffler original for you. Just let me know in the comments below. Number 3. How do I buy an NFT? NFTs are available on multiple websites. Currently, the most popular of them all is OpenSea, but there are other options as well. Foundation is an NFT marketplace with a rigorous verification system and the requirement of purchasing something called gas to even sell an NFT. A website like Foundation promises exclusivity, and that could be beneficial to both buyers and sellers of the NFT market. Buying NFTs also requires a crypto wallet, since all transactions are usually done through cryptocurrencies, typically Ethereum. To purchase crypto, you can directly purchase from NFT websites that offer the options. Otherwise, you'd have to purchase from a separate domain like Coinbase. Once your crypto wallet has the funds needed to buy the NFT you want, the transaction process is very simple and requires no additional effort. Links for all these sites are in the description. Number 2. What to expect from NFTs in 2022. NFTs are here to stay, and 2022 promises an amazing year for them. Currently, there are many creators making video games that can be owned through NFTs, like Cryptomon, which is a Pokemon-inspired project that allows you to own and care for your very own pet, similar to a Tamagotchi. With the arrival of Metaverse, NFTs can also serve as tickets to virtual concerts or NFT art galleries. Some artists may even use NFTs to create their virtual personas soon. And that also means you can use an NFT as your avatar in virtual reality as well. The possibilities of NFTs are endless, and 2022 will only see an expansion of what we already know about NFTs. NFTs will soon start exploring many other mediums beyond graphics, even tying into physical objects. Personally, we here at Tenzies Tech are really excited about a project called MetaRex, which will allow the owner of the NFT to obtain digital IP rights to high-quality images of actual dinosaur fossils. How cool is that? Number 1. What is the future of NFTs? When most people talk about NFTs, they associate it with digital art. I'm even guilty of this quite a bit throughout this video. But really, NFTs are all about property rights in a digital world. In the future, this can help independent content creators from having their work misused. As the metaverse grows and expands, NFTs will be an important part of it to identify people and things. And if we're really lucky, Governments can even start using NFTs to track and transfer legal documents, from car and land titles to marriage and birth certificates. Don't think NFTs are a fad that won't last. The potential for what they can achieve is limitless, and I and the rest of the Tenzies tech team are excited to see what the future of NFTs will bring. So, what did you think of our list? Are we correct in our predictions? Do you have any experience with NFTs you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below. And while there, be sure to like the video and share it with your friends who think NFTs are a scam. If you liked the video, you would also like these other videos. And if you've already seen them, then be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss our future tech videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.